Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change language on Temu. First of all, you can open the Temu application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the view option at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it. After tapping on it, you can go to the settings option at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can see the third option in the line, that is language. Tap on language, and here you can choose any language that you want, and it is the way you can change language on Temu app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.